ठीक है? And what is the portal?
Yes, ma'am.
It has certain content.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Mute everyone.
Please stay muted, everybody. Otherwise, everybody's voice will break. This is the portal. We can search our content through the class. Like I have to enroll class 2.
Yes, मुझे दिखाओ.
चलो. नहीं.
Class 2, I am putting EVS. Date of study is 20th. Searching the content. See, first content is question answers of lesson 3, care for others. You will view this file. It will get open and then you can download. See, it's downloaded here. Is it okay? Give me thumbs up if it's okay.
Ma'am, we have to do question answer in the copy.
Obviously, so hard. You have to do question answers in the notebook only. And if you want some help, then you can go through this also.
बोलो मैम क्या बता
Okay,
रही है?
ma'am.
If you are having any problem in creating the answers, or if you want to see that what answers ma'am has framed, if you want to see whether you have done some mistakes or not, if there is any mistake or not, then you can go to the portal. You can download that notes of EVS. That is question answers of lesson 3, care for others. The heading is this, and then you can check it. Now coming back to maths. Era,
Yes, ma'am.
which was the last page we have done?
Ma'am, last page.
Yes, last 30,
8.
38 we have done. Okay.
मैम सबका 43 तक डन है.
Why you have done till 43? Did I ask you?
45.
You will not go beyond the page which we are doing. If you want to practice the sums, you can do it at your home copy. Rough copy.
Notebook 44.
Shobh, you don't have to do any pages except the pages which I am telling. If you want to do anything, wait, Akrishi is calling. Hello?
Hello.
Anji ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. हम तो कितनी लगती
Gaurvangi,
Yes, ma'am.
Gaurvangi, Akrishi is unable to join. Can you please send this invite link to Akrishi?
No, I'm checking, ma'am.
Okay, come back to page number 37.
I am not here.
I have sent Gaurvangi, it's okay.
Are you?
Akrishi, oh, sorry. Yes, coming back to page number 37.
27. 27. Ma'am, we have to do this.
Shubh, listen to me. You will not do any pages except the pages which I am telling you all for homework or classwork. You will not go beyond the pages. अगर मैंने आपको 40 पेज कराया तो you will do that 40 page only. You will not go beyond that. Is it okay, Shubh?
Okay, ma'am.
And if you want to do practice at home, then you can do it in your notebook, craft notebook, maths notebook, homework notebook, home notebook, whatever you have with you.
मैम से मैम लिंक भेज दीजिए.
And everybody, I request you all, please stay muted except when I am talking to you. Vedant,
Ma'am.
stay muted. Shubh, stay muted. Akrishi, what happened?
Ma'am, book में करना है.
Can you please talk in English?
Ma'am, we will do in book.
Yes, we will do page number 39 in the book.
Okay, ma'am.
And I have told them till now, I have just informed that
we
EVS
have
notes
to
are uploaded in automated,
these sums.
onlineautomated.com. So, Heart, what is the matter? Why are you required to speak in between everyone? Yes, speak. What happened? So, Heart,
Ma'am, we have to do the sum.
obviously, you will do these sums in class right now. Write date, CW, and do these sums. You all will do these sums, and I will ask one of them to share the screen and do one sum. Yes, so I asked Gaurvangi.
I don't have any problem.
Gaurvangi, sum number 1 is done.
No, ma'am.
27.
Okay, Gaurvangi, you please do sum number 1 and then please share the screen.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have done. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Gorvangi.
Ma'am, I have done.
Please share the screen.
Ma'am, I don't know where the screen has been shared.
You can click the picture.
And
You can click the picture.
then
Then you can go just next to the option of video and you can click the share option. Then go to the image and then share.
where is the camera?
Okay, Arijit, wait. Arijit,
Yes, ma'am.
is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Done.
किधर करा जाता
Is it someone done? Please share or tell me how you have done it. You can tell or orally also.
Ma'am, first one.
Yes, the first one.
The answer is 7.
Shuk, can you please stay muted? I request you to stay muted. मैम आप प्लीज इसका ऑडियो ऑफ रखा करिए अगर आप साथ में हैं. डिस्टरबेंस आता है वहां से. Yes,
Ma'am,
Arijit.
977 is the answer.
How? Just tell me how you have calculated.
Is 7,
हेलो
6, 7
रखो क्लास चल रही है
plus 9.
बहुत लंबी बोली
Okay. Now coming back to Shubh. Shubh, can you hear me? Shubh, क्या आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
हम प्रांजल is down. तो नहीं कर दिया
Pranchal, keep your book down.
देखो जो मोबाइल वाला फोन है जो
Okay, Gaurvangi, sum number B.
आवाज नहीं आती. Yes, ma'am.
Sum number B.
Ma'am, I have done. बस्ता बोल रही हूँ. Okay, ma'am, telling.
So hard are you, Gaurvangi?
Yes, नहीं कर वो कैमरा कैरियर. मुझे कौन सा? No, number B.
Now you have done second one.
Ma'am, I am telling.
First of all, everybody please make this habit. Whomever I am asking the question, only that child will answer. If I'm not taking your name, then please do not speak in between. Yes, Gaurvangi. Gaurvangi, how have you done question 2? Can you please tell?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first activity 2, the answer was 5. And then add 0 and 4, the answer was only 4.
Is
And
only.
then add 3 and 2, the answer was 5.
Okay, so she's telling that she has added first the column of ones, that is 3 and 2. The answer is 5. Then she went back to the next column, that is tens. The answer is 0 plus 4 is 4. Because whenever we add 0 to the number, the same number is the answer. Now coming back to hundreds, 3 plus 2 is 5. So the answer is 545. Am I right, Gaurvangi?
Yes, ma'am.
So hard. So hard, sum number C. Please start.
Yes, ma'am.
Please start sum number C.
Number 3. Question is first. Question is first. 5 plus 4. Answer is 9. Second question is 3 plus. Both 600. And the answer is 600. Ma'am, the answer is 6.
No, you did not tell me
159.
the answer directly. You have to tell me the heading wise, like ones, tens, then hundreds. Please tell accordingly. Direct answer I don't want. How will I know that how you have added?
5 plus 4. One's question is 5 plus 4, 9, 10. Tens. 3 plus 2 is. Tens question is 3 plus 2, 5. Hundreds. Hundreds. Question is 4 plus 2, 6. 659.
Okay, it's not hundreds question, tens question. It's the digit under the heading one. Ones is 1 plus 5. Okay, it's not the question. The question is the all over sum.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So now, Era, sum number E.
Ma'am, sum number E.
Yes.
1, 2, 6, 8.
2 plus.
2 plus 6 8. 5 plus 2 is 7. And 1 plus 5 is 6. And answer is
Answer is
678.
678. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Akshaj.
Yes, ma'am.
Sum number F.
Hello? Hello, ma'am.
Yes, who's that?
Ma'am, Akshat.
Yes, Akshaj, speak. Sum number F.
First we add ones, then we will add tens and hundreds. The answer is
No, not the like this. Right, you have told the correct thing. That first we will add ones. So you can tell when we add ones, the digit is 0 plus 4, that is 4. Okay. Tell me like this and then the complete answer.
okay. Ma'am, Akrishi done. One. Ma'am, Ariji done. 0 plus 4. The answer is 4. 6. 2. The answer is 8. 8 1. The answer is 9.
8 plus 1, 6 plus 2, 0 plus 4. How will we know? 6, 2 is 8. That everybody knows. But if you will tell someone how you have done it, then you have to tell 6 plus 2 is 8. Or I have added 6 plus 2, then it comes to 8. Okay, fine. Now, next, Vidisha, sum number G.
Hi.
One.
One
Plus 5
plus 5
is equal to
is equal to 6.
Vidisha, I cannot hear you. Your voice is cracking.
is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3.
1
Plus
plus is equal to
1 plus 5 is equal to 16. बोलो देख क्यों तुम ठीक से नहीं बोल पा रही
1 plus 5 is equal to 6. 10. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3.
Yeah, right.
Hundreds. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7.
So what is the total answer?
700.
736.
Okay, good. Now, Anne, sum number H.
Yes, ma'am.
H.
Okay, ma'am. And the sum number H is 1. Ma'am, sum number H once is 3 plus 4. Sum and sum number H tens is 1, 2 plus 1, and sum number H hundreds is
10.
3 plus 2. Ma'am, so the total answer is 537.
Okay, good. Akrishi, sum number I. Meanwhile, you all can do this exercise when I'm asking the other ones.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Akrishi, please. Okay, Arijit, you can wait. Or you can recheck your sums meanwhile. Yes, Akrishi.
Ma'am, first 10 says,
नहीं 1 then
ma'am, 1 says 8 plus 1, 9.
1 plus 8, 9. See how it is written. You have to speak in the same way it's written in the book. If it would be 8 plus 1, then you would have said 8 plus 1.
And
The answer will be same though.
ma'am, next is 9 plus 0, ma'am, 9. And 100, 7 plus 2, ma'am, 9.
total answer
Okay, so what's the answer?
Ma'am, total answer is 99.
900
909.
now
909, right. 999.
समझा?
999
999.
Okay, ma'am, 999.
Yeah. So Hard and Shubh, I think you all cannot control yourselves during the class. Why you are required to talk so much for half an hour class? Okay. Parth. Sum number J.
Yes, ma'am. Five hundred.
Parth, I cannot hear you. Okay, I think Parth is not audible. Pranchal, sum number J.
बेटा बिल्कुल
Yes, ma'am.
Pranchal, please answer. Sum number J, how you have done it? Please tell.
4, 3, 7,
4 plus 3 is 7.
4 plus 3, 7. 1 plus 6. 5 plus 5 plus 3, 8. 6.
Yes, so the answer is,
नहीं पूछ तो और अपना बताने लग गई.
so the answer is 800, 860, 67. 4 plus 3 is 7.
4 plus 3, 67.
Yeah, right. Please stay muted. Avika, sum number K. Quickly.
2 plus 6. 2 plus 6, 8. 0 plus 8, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. 688.
Nice. Good. Okay. Vedang. L. Vedang, quickly.
Number N is 4, 3, 6, 1, 7, 4. The answer is 777.
No, so this is not the way. 4 plus 3 is 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. So the answer is 777. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Shubh, sum number M. Shubh, sum number M. Shubh, please unmute.
बोलो बोलो
9 plus 0, 9. 0 plus 7, 7. 7 plus 2, 9.
So the answer is
Answer is 9.
900.
979.
Okay. So heart, sum number N. So heart, sum number N.
1, 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. 10. 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. 100. 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. 776.
Right. Part, sum number O.
Thank you, ma'am.
Part,
Yes, ma'am.
sum O.
Yes, ma'am. 242 plus 123. So,
Speak. Part, why you are not audible? Please speak.
ma'am, 242 plus 123 is equal to, answer is 365.
Okay. Arijit, sum number A, P.
Three plus 6. 5 plus 2 7. 2 plus 5 7.
Answer is
776.
777. Because 2 plus 5 is 7, 1 plus 6 is 7, and 3 plus 5 is 8. So 877. Now all the sums we have solved. I will give you 6 sums for homework. I will make that sums and I will share you the image of that. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And tomorrow I want EVS class to be done because we have test and we have to do 2-3 exercises of the book. So tomorrow I'll continue with EVS, not math.
Ma'am, what is homework?
Yes, Parag, what happened?
Ma'am, what is homework?
Today's homework 6 sums will be given to you on WhatsApp in the evening.
Ma'am, please share the EVS lesson. Excuse me, ma'am.
If you all will talk once at a time, then only I can tell you what.
Excuse me,
After,
ma'am.
please start what you want.
Ma'am, please share the EVS question answer on